Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Richard today, and today we're going to be taking this door panel off this Dodge, and let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a Torx bit, and you're going to just lightly pull this out. If it doesn't separate on its own, stick your fingernail or a driver in between the Torx and the little plastic piece here, and slowly pull it out, and it'll start to come like it actually just did. You just want to get it out of there. And again, being gentle is the trick, because if you put pressure, it'll just push it in. And as you can see, they're push pops. So you need to pull these all out, and then you'll be able to pull it out of the door. Which, if we do this, just like that, and you can pop these clips out. So do that with all of them. Gotten all those push pops out, you get in here with your nail, whatever you want to do, and you just got to pop this door. Now, I'm going to see, usually there is a screw behind this. And again, if you don't want to do that, you can try with a plastic panel popper. Let's see if it wants to be nice. There we go, almost. Just like that. After she pops out, you see there's a screw right there. Trim piece right here. Pop that off. Grab the handle. Might have to pop this out. Now that we got, yeah, it is. So now that we got this screw out, take that out like so. And then now, just like that, lift it off. And then disconnect your plug so you can access your speaker, which is right there. Or if you're trying to get at your window motor, whatever you're trying to get at, everything will be right here.